Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.66 and $3.13 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.29 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 29 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital currency market is duplicating constantly. Nonetheless, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is certainly not a simple errand. Hence, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that on the off chance that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a relentless undertaking that calls for both persistence and exploration. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's attention on peer-audited information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital currency. Most of the digital currency market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing possible dangers. Basic examination. Cardano's particular incentive is its verifiable strength. They aren't intending to catch the whole market for shrewd agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer arrangement keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the register part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Besides, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the venture. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token stock is set at $45 billion, there are expected benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano is right now worth 36 cents USD. ADA has moved 0.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $92,115,278. Cardano is right now positioned 7 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $12,736,805,952 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 55 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 51 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 44 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 91 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 73 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 80 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.29 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.18 and a low of $1.10 in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Cardano effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.66, with a base cost of $1.47 and a typical cost of $1.55. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.91 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.84 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a greatest value worth of $2.02. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.28. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.39. Neglecting to accumulate the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.21. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.58 and a yearly cost close above $2.76 in 2029. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.94 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.13, averaging out at $3.02. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.61 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.46. Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep rivaling the best digital currencies. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive cryptographic money choices. Along these lines, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a cryptographic money, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 36 cents with a complete market capitalization of $12,736,805,952. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that ADA is a decent decision of speculation.